Skeletor lives. I'm gonna have to let the dogs in a second, but in the meantime, let's check out this sound. Mic. I think it's alright. A little quiet. That's weird. Hello! I guess if I speak at full projection, it's fine. But I'm always mumbling, so not easy. Let's start where we always start. Blomp. Why does it do that sometimes? Oh, it wasn't fully loaded. Hey. Good morning. Good evening. Good day. Good night. Whatever time it is for you. Had a record 3 people in stream at once yesterday. The madhouse. It's just crazy. So many people talking. Got my buddy Mahmood, who I met. He's in Egypt. Wonder if he'll jump on tonight. He kind of jumped on at the end of the stream. Yeah, right. That's how it starts. I know. No, it's cool. You got some cool people like you know, just kind of perusing the smaller channels. And the WordPress thing is a nice novelty. People are like, what? What are you building this game on? I'm like, yes. I regret nothing. Alrighty. Well, for those who's watching in the future, I am Scott V. Adrian. That is me in the background. When you rated Mana last week, he was confused as hell when I brought up your WordPress game. Was he? I still don't understand raids, by the way. Because when I watch other channels raid, it brings, or like when I'm on a channel that raids, it brings me to the new channel, right? And then the person who gets raided always like thanks the person. Like, oh, thank you so much for the raid. But like, every time I raid, I don't see the channel. Like, I can see the chat kind of. But do they know, I mean, do they know they can't like hear you thanking them? Or am I just raiding wrong? And does raiding stop your stream? Because I still have to stop it. See, these are things I could look up easily, I'm sure. But I prefer to be confused. Obviously. That's cool though. Yeah, it is confusing. So I'm with them. I'm with everybody. I get confused still. I think most people just manually go to the person's channel. Oh. Like in a separate tab or something? Go to their channel and then raid them in the other one? Like, seems like a lot of work. Pretty sure all raiding does is send all your viewers. Yeah, no, I know it does that. And, you know, and it puts a little notification. Hey, they rated you with this many viewers. And it's good, you know? It's good to show support for other channels and to, you know, people know your channel name if you're, you know, nobody knew you before. But, yeah. I always wondered, like, what you said about them opening the channel and then raiding, that would make sense. Because in OBS, it actually, like, opens the other channel's chat. So, like, I can see them reacting to the raid. But it doesn't do that in the Twitch side. Like, you go to Stream Manager, it doesn't show you the chat of the other one. So it seems like it's just an OBS thing, unless I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah. I think I'll try that next time. Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna let some dogs in, and then we'll get started. Before, you could host plus raid at the same time, which would display their channel on yours as well as send all. But they got rid of the hosting. Yeah, see, that's what I assumed. And maybe that's why people assume that they can hear you too, because that's how it used to be. Because the people I see doing it are old streamers, not like age old, but been doing it for a while. Makes sense. So, yeah. Quick rundown. Scott V. Adrian. Website programmer by day. Been doing it for 20 years, 14 years as a WordPress programmer. Wrote a sci-fi fantasy novel series, or at least it's the start of one. Book 1's out. Book 2 is on pre-order. And it's Orbem. So this is the video game based off of the universe Orbem that I'm developing. And yeah, so it's all in WordPress if you're familiar with it. This admin bar looks very familiar. This is the quintessential WordPress admin bar for editing pages, adding new posts and pages, customizer, you know, all the good stuff. And this is 6.3 I think version. I'm on the newest WordPress version locally here. And yeah, this is what we're building. Orbem Explorer. I think since the last time you were on, Lava V2, made some good progress on some bugs. You weren't on yesterday, right? I forget. There's like a few people that join sometimes that I have seen before. Whatever name comes natural, you can use. Okay. Yeah, I just call you whatever. I try to get the real name in there. but it's confusing probably to anybody if they were in chat to use your real name. Yeah, so basically, check it out. Give you a rundown where we're at, because it's Tuesday new day. We've been working on bugs the past couple days, but I kind of took advantage of bug day and merged it with new day and worked on enemy mechanics. So this is where we left off. Okay, so check it out. First off, I don't even know if you've seen triggers yet, but they're not just running at me and shooting me, right? I have trigger points that I defined as custom metadata. Secondly, I completely revamped the runner's mechanics. Before, he basically was using transition. Oh my god. Hold on, dogs. Just bark at nothing. And now he's walking over here like I want him. Go away. What are you doing? He has the dog bowl in his mouth, but it's the smallest dog's dog bowl. So he just has this little dog bowl in his mouth and he's walking it around. That's psychos, man. Black labs. I don't suggest getting black labs, by the way. Super beautiful dog. He's very cute when he's sleepy. But the craziness is out of this world. It's absolutely untamable at times. I've heard when they get between 3 and 5 years old that they kind of mellow out, and that made me really sad. Had one as a kid that destroyed quite. Yeah, I've never heard a story where like, oh, you know, that's weird. My black lab or my lab was really cool. You know, fucking golden labs are great. My buddy got a golden lab puppy. Oh yeah, just kind of walks around. You know, no biggie. Fucking black labs. I have to replace all the footer molding in the house because he's chewed up random areas, and he's torn the carpet off the stairs in a couple spots that I've had to re-staple. It just can't handle being alive sometimes without destroying things, and he just steps on you, you know. He's almost 70 pounds now, and he just steps on you. It's really heavy and just hurts you. Love him, but yeah, probably not gonna get another black lab. I don't know. My wife kind of wants another one though. We'll see. Yeah, enemy mechanics. So check it out. Before I was using transition, CSS transition, right? I put my position, setting the bad guy's runner position to my position, and then literally using CSS transition to slowly move him towards me, right? And every 2 seconds I'd move, you know, him toward my position. So if I move, he would move to that position. Impossible to use, I now learned, collision with that logic, because transition, I can't tell what position he's in while he's moving, right? Because I'm setting his left and top styling to my position. So while I'm moving in my character, I can tell where he is and stop him from running into things. It's because my left and, you know, let's bring up the console. It's because my left and top position is being updated, as you see here, top, left, right? So I know to push him to the right, you know, or I know to push him to the left. So basically I had to mimic my movement logic where he actually is moving pixel by pixel, not using transition, and that solved everything. Not only did it solve the collision points with the walls, but check it out. This goes right into our new. And look at his speed. Perfect. Look at him push me. No biggie, right? Check this out. We'll give him the slip. Oop. Crap. Look at that. Blocked. No more freaking... I know. No more phasing me through walls. He is not yet blocked by breakable items. Like I am, unfortunately. I don't think I added it to the list. So he can phase through that red block. But next best thing here. Let's select the shield, right? And set it. And he can't get to me now. He can't push me either when the shield's enabled. When it goes away, he can push me again. But if I set it, it's blocking him. And I can push him. What? It's like a real shield. Yeah. Glorious. Glorious. Glorious mechanics. And, yeah. Let's kill him, actually. Because he's going to get in the way. He only has 30 health. It should be pretty quick. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so he's dead. Now the shooter guy, by proxy, my logic works as well. Like if I set the shield again and I hit the trigger, he can shoot me. My health is going down. But if I do the shield, boop, it dies on the shield. So, same thing. I can get away from shooters now with the shield. And I also set the logic of the projectiles to go 500 pixels past me, because it was running into this issue, and it still is. If the projectile doesn't hit anything, it kind of freaks out and doesn't know how to die. I set up a timer to like kill it after a few seconds or whatever, but that interval within the interval thing was just not predictable. So instead I'm just shooting it past, so it has to hit something. But there are still times, I think, where it can get past me. Oh, I'm just sitting here dying. Yeah, so I think we're good with bad dudes. For now. I still need to make the runner hurt me. I think I'll save that for tomorrow. Make it a bug thing. Because he can't hurt me right now. He just kind of runs into you, pushes you. But I want to add an attack. Like, I don't want him just to hurt me when he runs into me. I want him to hurt me when he comes to me, and then like he does an attack, like he punches or something like that. Because that's kind of how that's how enemies act, right? Like if they touch you, they hurt you, but they should be able to like hit you as well, so you can like dodge their hit and then hit them. I don't know. Still working that logic out. But yeah, new stuff. I want to get the projectile. I want to get the fire magic spell today. So let us steal the projectile logic from this guy and turn it into a fire spell. And then I'll add another spell right here to the right. And then we can kind of really flesh out the magic spell, you know, database array, make sure everything is working, add another category for offensive spells. I don't know, maybe I'll add element, you know, do fire damage. Yeah, go for it. I'll keep talking regardless. Yeah. So, brazier. Or brazier, whatever you want to call it, that I called in the book. So I'm going to convert this get target button to a get brazier button. Which I just realized I didn't add delete magic to the new game button. I just realized I haven't been resetting the magic, so that's interesting. Alright. So, let us get into here. Magic is up here. Get Tarka. Let's change you to get Brazier. Get Brazier. Yeah, I guess I can add a second button. This is all temporary, since I want to make magic unlockable based off of your level. Or something. Yeah. Maybe based off of attribute points. Tarka. Okay, cool. And then let's go to get Tarka. And we'll do another one of these buttons. Add B spell. And we will use the ID of the spell. Oh, I gotta create a new spell. In the magic post type. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, 6.5. Welp. Let's upgrade. I definitely want this to work on the newest versions of WordPress. Don't mind the upgrade. Very important to stay up to date with your WordPress versions. They constantly do security patches. You know, people find new holes. People, find new patches. And WordPress updates it and adds little things. You can always check out the change log. See what's new with the update. So, it doesn't necessarily require you to do it if it's not a major update. But I like to stay up to date, because if I don't, then I just kind of lose track, and then sometimes you can get a few versions behind, and then the upgrade could be bigger than it would have been, because they also upgrade Gutenberg when they do a WordPress upgrade. And Gutenberg upgrades love to change HTML structure, class structure, for the better. But if you do a major jump in Gutenberg updates, it could break your entire front end if you are really using certain blocks in a certain way that they kind of tweaked a bit. Yeah. Or the editor itself could just kind of look broken. They're pretty good at being backwards compatible, but okay, let's see what we got. Do more with background images and group blocks. Cool. I'm guessing that just means you can define the point. More details from your style revisions? What the hell does that mean? What style revisions? Work through creative projects with a more comprehensive picture of what's been done and what you can fall back on. Get the those like timestamp. What the hell are you talking about? What is this? Is this a thing? What style revisions? These styles are already applied to your site. I'm confused. Is that a theme specific thing? Add and manage fonts. Cool. Oh, it looks like you can install new fonts too. That's sick. Oh man, it would be so cool to have like Adobe font integrated. I love the Adobe font system where you can just go and like boop, install it, and now it's in your Photoshop and your Illustrator and your Premiere Pro. It's beautiful. Bring interactions to blocks with Interactivity API offers developers a standardized method for building interactive front-end experience with blocks. Simplifies the process with fewer dependencies, external tooling while maintaining alpha. Yeah, this is one of those updates where I'm like, huh? Like, I know it's to do with block development, but it's not my day-to-day thing to create new blocks. Honestly, I'd just rather register an old-timey meta box and just style regular blocks. Yeah, pro tip. Don't use ACF for custom blocks. Please. I know you want to. I know it's so easy to create custom sections and components in Gutenberg with ACF blocks. Oh my god, it's so easy, right? But not only is it completely not a visual experience in the editor anymore, but it adds another layer to image uploads in the content. It's just one example of why it's annoying as well. Like, if you want to just change the image URL, you can't. If you use a media library field in a custom ACF block, you have to upload the image, and it utilizes the attachment ID. It's not just like, oh, change the URL, like you could do if you use just like a straight out image block. And there's other, ACF just adds a layer of complexity you do not need. You can build anything just using blocks. And if you want it reusable, I have a great fucking resource for you. And that is create a custom post type and create a shortcode and bring it in. Or better yet, create a pattern. Because we have this really awesome thing in Gutenberg called patterns. And if you want to reuse a section, you click this handy dandy plus button, you click patterns, and you just use one of these patterns, and they're so easy to register. All you do is get a PHP file, copy the crap that you want to reuse, and dump it in it, and then it's like one register function, and you just kind of target the PHP template. And then, you know, and you register a category, and you have your own custom category, and you can do whatever you want. I don't have any here, but like this is an example. Like, these are patterns. All patterns are just collections of blocks with predefined crap in it that you can update. And they're extensible. You can just change them any way you want. Don't use reusable blocks. Please don't use reusable blocks either. Because every time you change a reusable block in the goddamn content, it saves it for all the use cases. So it's like, it's always a one-to-many, no matter where it is. No matter what page you edit it on, it'll save it to everything. You learn that the hard way. Patterns. Patterns, default blocks, style, JavaScript. You can do anything. You can even build patterns and lock the template. You can make it so the pattern can't move, you know? Kind of like an ACF field, you know? You can put like rules on it. You can even put sub rules where you can, maybe you can change things inside of a group, but you can't change anything else. You can't delete the group, right? It's block locking. You can do that. These are all tools that make Gutenberg the ultimate page builder. That's my rant. And my plea. Because I have to deal with this crap a lot. Or an agency just wants to build everything in ACF. Don't do that. Because then I have to clean up your mess. Let's create a new spell. Boop. We are in magic. We need brazier. Brazier. Whatever you want. How did the narrator say it? I should probably double check. I forget. I think it was brazier. Hope it's not like brazier, you know. Like, I think that's what this is, right? Brazier. Yeah, brazier. Oh, is brazier S? Well, what's the bra one? Brazier clothing. Okay, yeah, let's not do that. Yeah. Brazier. And we're going to create a new category. This is now offense. Cool. We'll do that. And let us create a subcategory called fire, which goes under offense. And there she blows. Did I select both for Tarka? I don't remember. Yeah, I did. Protection, defense. Alright. Let's publish you. Did I give it a... Yeah, I gave it a little image. I gotta give it an image. Excuse me. Do I have a fire-ish kind of image to use? Let's see what I got. I could easily use way better temporary images, but I think it's funny to use these random. By the way, these are all imported using the Amazon Amazon WooCommerce extension, which basically you go to Amazon and you select the item, you get the URL, and you put in this extension, and it's installed. It's logged into your WooCommerce site, and it'll basically create a product, import all the photos, input all the description, and automatically, you know, that's what I built my whole shop with, which is cool. I guess we can just use orange. It's pretty fire-like. You are now brazier. Alright. Do I need any of this? Value? Yeah, I think I need value, right? What did I set? Value 8,000. The hell's that mean? Why did I put 8,000? Oh, that's how long it stays alive. I forgot. In this case, this is going to be damage. So how much damage? We'll do 50. Should be pretty strong. Oh shit, I forgot too. I need to hook up spell usage to mana. Right now, mana just chills. It costs you nothing to do spells. Okay, so now we have the spell. Let's get the ID. We'll add that to the button. Cool. Great. And we already set up the add new spell function when we did Tarka. So this should technically just add this within the offensive array, and it'd be a new spell. How am I outputting it though? Magic. Explore magic. Bring me to you, magic. No, you don't want to. Screw you. I'm gonna do it myself. Okay. So we got magic type spells. Okay, so this should just output. And it's using the image that I uploaded, 60 by 60. Okay. Cool. Wow, 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 wow. Bloop. Ooh. It's been a rough day. Lot o' work. And the weather sucked. It's all rainy. It's Tuesday. Everybody hates Tuesdays, right? Worst day of the week. Most depressing day of the week. I even made the first chapter of my book. I named it Tuesdays. That's the day he gets fired and just has a shitty day. Okay. I think we're good. Let's go to the front end. Let's use the new get brazier button. Look at that. Good to go. Let's double check the add spell works. Alright. Get brazier. Reload. Alright, well, that didn't work. Did I not name it right? Okay. Let's double check. What did I do? Get brazier. Uh-huh. 1 second. Why are you not working, Get brazier? I know I set you. But I'm stupid. Because I never changed the ID. Pop, 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 pop. I knew I did that. Yes, there's 4 dogs. Big black lab, like I was talking about. Smaller black lab. It's a halfie. It's like a black lab mix, kind of They said it was a Chihuahua Black Lab mix. Got him in Huntington Park back in California. In front of a lavanderia, which is Mexican laundromat, in a gas station. And the woman had a baby in one arm, puppy in the other arm. Did not speak English. We got her on Mexican Craigslist. I'm not like saying anything about Mexico. I'm just saying, like, it was an all Spanish ad. And my wife understands Spanish, so she had to have it. And I mean, she understands Spanish, but I went to pick it up because it was dangerous. And I know a decent amount of Spanish just because growing up in California, but I'm very self-conscious about speaking it to people. Like, I feel like it's pandering because, like, everybody in California, you know, they speak English, and if you're talking to somebody that doesn't, I feel like, hola, ¿cómo estás? You know, bien, ¿y tú? Yeah, it's just like really weird to like talk to a native speaker when they're used to probably understanding English, even though they can't really speak it. And you know, I picked up some words. You know, gordo. It was a little fat puppy because it had worms, and yeah, worked out. And he's great. Named Sawyer, so he's a littler one. He's like 30 pounds. And then we have a really old, he'll be 16 this year, Yorkie Chihuahua mix. But he's pushing 30 pounds himself. I mean, he's like a Mutant X version of both. You know, Yorkies are kind of small, so are Chihuahuas, and he kind of got bigger than both. And then we have the smallest one. He is a Maltese Chihuahua mix, and he is my wife's favorite. He's gonna be 14 this year, so he's also old. He's our second dog we got, and he's like 9 pounds, super small, tiny. He was the runt, poofy little white Chihuahua, perfect little lap dog, perfect little bag dog. He's not a huge fan of Michigan, as one would expect. Doesn't handle the cold very well. Well, he's got a lot of fur though. He's got pretty thick, like sheep-like fur too underneath. So I think he handles it better than the other one. But the Yorkie Chihuahua is fat, you know, because he's just old and lumpy. So I think he's got some good blubber for the cold. Alright, let's test this function. Will I be getting my fire spell? Gimme. Boop. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. 200 response? You kidding me? First try, guys. Check this out. Refresh, I will have 2 spells. Look at that. 2 spells. Fire orange shirt. Oh crap. What happened to my punch? Did I break my punch? Let's find out. Magic. Weapon. What happened to weapon? Oh no. Weapon is being covered by the spell. I need to change magic styling. Let's see here. Wait, what? Oh, it's because I put the buttons in there. Not my intentions. Let's do magic content instead. My handy dandy flex. Nope, wrong spot. Magic container. Defense magic, offensive. Wait, what? This should be inside of offense magic. And yet it is not. Oh wait. Why are you not inside the offense magic div? Let us check. This is not a bug. Okay, we got magic spells. The container, spells. This is offense. Offense magic. And then within here are the spells. Why you know the spell? Are one of these broken? Breaking the HTML? Let's see. Fire magic. Wait, what? Why is fire magic? Go. Shoot. Why is fire magic acting like a parent category? Even though it should be under here, it should be fire magic and then the spell. Under here, above, spell. Oh no, this is a spell. Yeah, fire magic should be in here. Should be a spam. How the hell did it become a div? Oh, look, it's swapped. Ew. That's unfortunate. Did I make fire magic first? No. Get the terms. Yeah, it's coming out backwards. Interesting. Let's see how it looks in the database. Magics. Let's see. So we got defense. Oh, we have 3 array. We should only have defense and offense. Fire's coming. Why you do that? Let's double check the add new spell function. Okay, choosing ID, add spell. We're getting user ID, we're getting the spell ID. We got spell ID, yes. Cool, we're good. Get user meta, we're getting the current magic. We're saying if it is empty, no, if it's not empty, we're good. If it is, create. Cool. And then we're getting the terms, magic type for the spell ID. And then, yeah, this is where things get a little funky. Defining the slug here. Putting the wait. It's using the spell slug. How did this work for Tarka? Oh, is it because I built this fresh? Yeah, it's not right now. Yeah, but even if I did build this fresh. Explore magic. This. What? How is this working? Update user meta. But it's saved. Defense, array. Oh. I'm not even saving. Okay, so they're all just saving under defense. Got it. So for some reason, offense was not seen as the first one. Fire was. I wonder why that was. I'm pretty sure I created... So let's see how I did it here. Yeah, defense, that. Offense, fire. Should be correct. Offense fire. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Offense should be the first. Because it's apparent. So this is coming out with the wrong order. Why? The IDs. Well, let's check actually. What do the IDs look like? We got 14. Oh no, it's the tag ID. Oh, whatever. 145. 146. 146 is coming first. I do not like that. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to check if it's a defense or offense. And if it's not, then I'm gonna need to grab the next one. It's kind of, I don't really like that. That's something I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to add. Spell type. Cool. And then we'll do for each. Spell type. Is array actually would be a better use here. We got spell type as spell, whatever, type. Okay. And if true equals an array, defense, offense, schmoop, 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 spell, oh no, type, slug, true, and I got that wrong. I always get these backwards. Cool. Nope. Get out of that array, Dick. There we go. Strict true, yes. Alright. So, if it's defense or offense, within spell type, then let's do the spell type equals type select. Cool. And the spell type equals nothing. The spell type, if it's not equal the spell type, we're just doing some checks, and we'll do an error return. Send error. No type selected. Cool. Some good error logging. I'll tell you, I'm not a big fan of error logging. Not because it's bad for you. It's extremely important in creating like usable code, because you never know what's gonna break, you know, especially in a continuous integration, like when you're constantly iterating on the site or whatever you're working on that's code based. Error logging on everything is so important, because you either do it now or you do it when you don't know what's wrong, and then you have to add a bunch of fucking error logs after the fact, and then you have to like wait for the errors to happen again or whatever. So yeah, error log as much as you can. We don't all have DevOps teams, you know. Okay, that's good. Good. I like it. And then we'll put a nice WP send JSON to success message. Spell added. And hey, why not actually add? Nah, we don't know the name. I don't want to get it. Right? No, we know the type. Currently trying to fix some tablets that the maintenance manager somehow fucked up, so I'll be AFK a little while, but we'll leave stream running. Very cool, man. That's weird. How you fuck up tablets? You mean like using them as coasters and frisbees, or downloading some weird shit on them? Good luck, either way. Alright, spell added. Good. Spelunking. Okay, let's try this again. Did I keep the var dump? Okay, good. So we're gonna add this again. I'm gonna have to delete the fire eventually, but let's try the function again, see what we get. Womp. We get a nice 200. Let's see if the return message worked. Spell added. And now when I refresh, offense should have an ID inside of it. And it do. And it's the correct one. We're in business. Unfortunately, now we have 2 spells, so time to do the unthinkable. And delete this during new game. New game plus. Just kidding. I keep saying that, but it's not new game plus. It's literally back from the start. New game. Delete user meta current. Should really just put a for each and make an array, but it's really easy to read this. Explore magic. Alright, you are now part of the new game. And that being said, let us start a new game. Ooh. Scoozy. Doop doop doop. Alright, we have no spells. Let's get Brazier. Cool. Let's get Turka. Cool. And let's see what we got. We have both, and they are in the correct order and the correct place. Let's get rid of that var dump, because it now ignores me. And if you guys know anything, it's that I hate to be annoyed by var dump. You didn't know that? I actually don't mind. More info the better. So this song is supposed to be somebody going to a police station and talking with a detective about like their girlfriend or some shit, someone they love being missing. Actually, I wrote this entire album, like lyrics, trying to be like one connective like storyline. I have like the serial killer who kills a bunch of women, and then I have this guy who you know, is going to the cops about it, and then I have a really depressing song about the guy like missing the girl who's dead and like wanting to kill himself. And then I have Lead the Way, which is basically like, I think before all that, where the guy is trying to basically get the girl to love him, who ends up getting killed by the serial killer. So yeah, it starts with that. Gets killed, goes to the cops, wants to kill himself. Yeah. Why not? That's why I did it. Killers wake up tomorrow's innocent lives lost today. Not my best lyrics. Okay, so now that we have the fire spell ready to be used, we need to make it do something. Let's go here. So what do we got? Here's all the spell stuff. Okay. Oh. Well, good. So now I already have a quick event for it. All it's going to do is add an engage. So let's double check the engage works on the HTML. Let's go to spells. Spell. And here we are. And we got our offense. And let's see if we get a engage class. We do. Okay. So now we know that fire is engaged, and what does it do? I don't know. This is just for engaging. Okay. Use weapon. Okay. So right now, engage for the shield just basically makes the weapon, when you click it, turn into a ball. So in this case, I need to throw the weapon. I think that's how I'll handle it. I'll also change the styling of the weapon somehow. But for now, I'll just make the red dot go. You know? So how do I do that? Let's see. Use the weapon. Okay, that's what's happening here. So if current spell weapon time. Oh, weapon time. I'm confused. Oh, what? Oh, okay, no, this isn't the actual use. This is just setting weapon time. Oh, let's go see where weapon time is being used. Add character hit. Cool. So this is where I do it. So I don't care about weapon time in this case. Instead, what I want to happen is I need to pull the projectile logic, which I think it's move, something move. Oh, move enemy. Right. So, this is the projectile logic. I don't think I can use the same function. I might be able to. No, because this is automated. All this is doing is automatically detecting my position and then moving the projectile towards me. Instead, what I want to do is move my projectile in the direction I'm facing. Facing up, move up. Facing diagonal. Shoot diagonal, which is both left and up. Right diagonal, left and up. Unfortunately, I don't think I put a special class for diagonal. Hold on. Uh-oh. I might have to do that. Yeah, check it out. Down-der. Top-der. Left, down, right. But if I go diagonally, it just goes to the last one you clicked. Well, I guess it's still facing a certain direction. Okay, we can do this. So I don't have to shoot diagonally. Cool. We'll just shoot the position he's facing. Just like the punch. He only punches in one direction. Yeah, so we're pretty close. Basically all I have to do is move that hitbox like a laser. But I want it to leave, you know. Okay, so let's see. I want to steal this logic. Because this changes the rate of transition based off of how far it's shooting. Guess I don't care about that. Kind of rethinking this. I kind of thinking, can I get away with not using translate and instead just changing the left position and top position of the actual weapon? Let's see here. So if I do that, it's already position absolute, right? So why don't I just hijack top -3062. Wait, what? Oh shit, I forgot. That's why. For some reason when I change the position of the weapon, it changes the position of my guy. Okay. Looks like we're stuck with translate. In that case... Boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah, look at it, it's moving. So it can be like 4,000. That's what I want. I want that logic. Where it just goes like 900, 700, 700, 700. Okay, we're stuck with translate. Depending on what position. So I think what I'll do is I'll shoot it out and I'll just reset it. Like it's a yo-yo. Not like it's a yo-yo. I'll have to make it look like it's showing up without coming back to me. Alright, so I don't think I care. Only problem is I kind of have to mimic the logic that creates a new projectile, and when it hits something it needs to die. I really want to simplify this. I mean, it's magic, but I want it to hit the enemy and blow up, you know? I don't want it to just go through the enemy and keep shooting things through the enemy. So it's gonna need to have its own collision points. Yeah, I basically have to do exactly what I'm doing with this. Basically clone, move it, check if it hits something, die, blah. The only difference is the character I'm going after. I actually should be able to do this. All I have to do is set the position to straight up. Okay. I think we got something here. I think I can make this a function. This whole thing. Yeah, I think I can do that. Shoot projectile. You are now a function. I will provide you projectile. I will provide you map character top and left. Oops. An enemy name? Doesn't need that? Hold on, let's make the function. What is it? Shoot projectile. Shoot. Let's do it out of here. Oops. Function. Shoot projectile. And oops, motherfucker. And I'm gonna need enemy name. Do I care about that? No. Oh wait, yes. Enemy name. Got it. Alright, in that case, projectile. Map character left. Oops, map character top. Enemy name. Should be good. Right? Definitely need enemy. Shoot. Alright, enemy as well. Guess. I guess. Yeah. So let's go. Cool. Shoot the projectile. Let's go to shoot the projectile. I need to add enemy. Oops. Enemy name. Cool, so that should all work now. And I won't be doing it based off of an interval. I will be doing it based off of the shoot command. So now, let's see if we can reuse this function. I think it's 32. Yep. Okay. No. Yes. No. What? Yes. Yes, because this is where weapon time is set. Okay. So... basically... I'm gonna need to check if the weapon... for shooting if weapon true equals weapon dot class list dot contains what do I contain? I have offense and brazier. Damn. Wait a second. Don't I have protection for the other spell? Yeah, look, protection. So I shouldn't have offense, I should have fire. That's annoying. The hell? Offense, defense. Oh, why did the data type come as offense and not fire? Hold, please. Why is it doing that? Yeah, type should be 1. Ugh. Forgot it's all in a weird order. Can't just go by that, so I need to actually do a check here. We're going to add another for each. Spell type to type. And now we're going to look if it doesn't have, if it isn't defense, go to the next one or use this one. So if type slug, if false equals an array and it's haystack first or needle? Needle first. Okay, needle. Haystack is defense, offense, because those are our parent categories, and we'll make it nice and strict. Then the spell type, same shit, equals type slug. Cool. Otherwise, the spell type equals bleh. So let's do this. The spell type. Cool. E-O. That's the motto. Why that song stuck in my head. Alright, the spell type. Very nice. Okay, so now I should have the right one. Oh, look at this. Follower goal met. How'd that happen? Did someone just follow me? Yay! Thank you, whoever followed me. I don't know who you are or if you're watching. But if you are, let yourself be known. I would like to congratulate you for being the 10th follower. Still no YouTube watchers, but alright, so this should be good. So data type should be correct now. Let's double check. Let's double check. Let's double check. Yep, there we go. See, we got the offense magic. We have fire. So now, when I click on this, I have engage, and the weapon should now have the class. No, that's not what I want. The character weapon should now have the class fire. Brazier. Because we can have different fire spells. Okay. So if it contains fire, then let us shoot. Now, I need to get all these variables to send. The projectile is the weapon, so we already have map weapon. So let's use weapon. The character left and top are going to be whatever my current character's position is, depending on the so I need a switch case here because I need to know what direction I'm facing right now. In fact, let's get a little helper function for that. Const player direction equals get player direction. This will come in handy. And so now based off of that, I'll have a switch case that lets me know which, like how much to provide here. So let's actually do this. Let map character left equals, do I have map character? I do. So I'll use character dot style dot left plus 500. That's my center point. And then we'll do let map character top equals character style of top plus 500. And that's my, well, after this, I gotta get rid of the pixel. Cool. Great. That's good. Let's parse int this because I just do not remember if it'll come out. Yeah, it's not. It needs to be parse int. Cool. Should probably get a helper function for that too, like get current position, and then it'll just be a little object, but whatever, this will work. Alright, so let's create, oops, why did that happen? A new function, player direction. No, that's the const. Get player direction. Should I pass the character? I have it. No. I guess I don't mind re-grabbing it. It's not a big deal. Okay. So what's gonna happen is let us have const. So I need to know the class. Switch. Character dot class list. Shit. Actually, let's double check. Where is that position class? Is it on my... It's here. And it is the only class. Perfecto. Okay. I'll use class name. In case... Shit, how do I do this? I always forget how to do switch cases. Case. Downder. Is there a dash? I think there's a dash. there is a dash. Okay, so in this case, if it's downder, then what I want to do, I think I'm doing this wrong. I think maybe this is that, right? The case is that, right? And then it's like break. I always forget how to do this. Okay, so if it's downder, what I want to do is return down. Shit. This is kind of stupid. I mean, basically it's just this. Return character dot class name dot replace dir. And that's going to give you the direction you're facing. Smart. And since I already have this, forget it. I'm not even gonna, I don't need this. This is stupid. It was a good idea. Not necessary, because I literally can just do this. I'm already setting the character up here. So I got his direction now. Switch case here. So let's do switch player direction, right? Brackets, yes, case, down, colon, and then what? So if it's down, I want to add map character top equals map character top plus 3000. I mean, how far do I want to shoot this thing? Whatever. It's gonna be pretty far. Cool. Break. Otherwise, case top. Map character top. That's not top. Equals map character top. Minus 3000. If I'm going this way, it's got to go that way. You see the logic here now? Brack. Brack. Brufk. Alright, case left. We're going to do map character left. Near right equals map character left. Minus 3000. Near right. And I'm using the same logic for transition. So it shouldn't matter how far I shoot. It should be the exact same speed. So I mean, honestly, I could do fucking, what, 10,000. I can just make it go twice as big as the map. Case right. Map character. Nope. Left. Equals map character left. Oops. That was not what I meant to do. Left equals plus 10,000. Great. We are solid. So now what's going to happen, it will provide these two positions, which is my current position plus or minus 10,000 in whichever direction that I'm facing. Enemy and enemy name will be me. So this will be character. Now, character name, I'm going to make false. I need to put a scenario where it doesn't need a name. Because I don't. Because in this case, I'm going to pass enemy name, which will be false. So let's do this. The enemy, I'm going to stick with the enemy thing. Cons. Wait, why am I passing the enemy twice? What the fuck? Why am I doing that? Is this? Oh, it's because it's in an interval. I want to query it. But I don't need to do that. Yeah, can't I just pass enemy? What the hell do I need an enemy name for? Hold on. I might have made this simpler. Yeah, because enemy is the same thing as using enemy name to get the enemy. This should be good. Proj speed is not defined. That will need to be defined. I guess. So that's new. So instead of false, I have character, I need proj speed, which whatever, we'll do 2000. So that should be good. And then let's set proj speed. Cool. Good. And let's double check that I'm going to be sending that here. So I don't need enemy name. That's stupid and unnecessary. And then I'll do proj speed, which is coming from proj speed right there. Cool. Alright, I think we're good. A little nervous to just try this out. But the logic's there. I'll try with move enemy. Is move enemy gone? Shit, what happened to move enemy? Shoot projectile. Oh, it must be inside something. Hold on. Yeah, here we go. I gotta bring it out. Solid. New enemy. Does it need that? I don't think so. Wait, what is this? Not described. Wait, what? Okay. Weird. The enemy shooting. Right? Okay. I think this is gonna work first try. That's what my gut's telling me. But I need to do a regression on the enemy, the shooter enemy as well. Let's see how this works. First off, any consoles right off the bat? No. How about now? No. Alright, secondly, let's double check that Tarka works. It does. We're good. Oh shit, I did lose weapon. God damn it. It's still behind there. I gotta do the styling. Okay, so that works. Now let's test Brazier. Will it shoot my little red thing off? Let's double check. Let's double check the weapon. Okay, we're watching, and go. What happened? Something happened. So what happened? We got transform. Does not appear to have worked. Let's try again. Did I change my position? I don't think so. Huh. Shoot, 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 shoot. I don't know what's happening. Where's my weapon? Where are you? Is this not right? Hold on, let's set this to my position. Maybe I'm doing the logic wrong. 3050, oops. 3050 pixels. 1960 pixels. So this is my position. Now let's add 500. 35. 26. What the fuck? You tell me that I can't use transform to move the weapon around? Yeah, look, it's way down there. Look, it's moving me. Son of a bitch. Looks like I'm gonna need to rethink the way that weapon is set in the HTML. Like, I need to just set it to my position. This whole it being inside of my body, you know, it was good at first because I was using my body as a weapon, but now I'm just not seeing the point. Especially because it's fucking with my position. Okay. Alright. I don't have a lot of time, but I need to do a complete overhaul of the way weapon is set. So let's get going. Weapon is inside of me. No, this is the weapon button. Working on some of the code for my management application that I haven't touched in a while. Really wish I made sure to write notes more often. Hey man, haven't you been watching my shorts? Always document your code. Inline, docs. Yeah, that's rough. You don't have like a Confluence or a notepad sitting around. Okay, so this has to go. This no good. This has to be outside. And whatever. It can literally be right here. So first off, let's make sure that we can get it styled correctly. See what? What is going on? Cannot read. Get bounding a weapon out. Yeah, hurt the enemy, got it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change all the... Well, hold on. Weapon. Yeah, so it's not inside a map chart now, it's just document. Cool. That's fine. What else we got? Weapon L. Now we need to take you out. We do not need that anymore, it's just map weapon. Map weapon is inside a character. Nope. Not anymore. Don't judge me. I haven't touched this code since I started learning PHP. Oh shit. Let's see. Send me a snip board. I'm gonna judge you hard right now. Excuse me, I almost threw up. From this crab house ad. Oh, MySQL I prepare. You be doing some direct DB queries. It's formatted nicely. Got a comment there. I mean, you're missing a period at the end of your comment, but that's just something I would point out in code review. Because I'm annoying. Looks like the spacing's wrong though. Why is that if statement farther back than that? 4. It says not happy. Not empty. You got your posts. You're not sanitizing your incoming post data. Should probably do that. Do an array check or something. Make sure it's an array. Because you're checking if it exists and you're checking if it's not empty, but you're not checking if it's an array. That would guarantee, you know, at least that someone can't just shoot out a SQL injection query and destroy your for each. And if it's an array, blah blah blah, partial, yeah, whatever. It's cool. It's good. It's PHP. I like it. I like that it's PHP. Alright, I have to restart. Actually, let's see if what I just did fixes the console issues. Wait, there's more at weapons. Hold on. Yeah, we're good. I think I got them all. Continue. Yep. Okay. So let's see. Where my weapon at? Here's my map weapon. Oh shit. It's probably, the styling's probably wrong now. Because it's no longer inside me. The weapon is no longer inside me. Shit. Welp. Looks like I'm gonna have to change the way I handle this and add the class both to the container and to the weapon. Annoying. Plan on doing an overhaul and rewriting everything using React at some point, but there's just so much to rewrite. Yeah, man, there's always shit to fix. Tech debt for life. I get it. Yeah, let's get all this out. Too much shit. Yeah, there's nothing special here, right? Yeah, I can steal this. Yep. Okay, let's get you out. And let's update the logic that does the up, down, top, down, blah, 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 topter. Yeah, okay. Blah, 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 blah. So map char class list, I also need to add to weapon. Where's map char coming from? Right here. Oh, map weapon. Weapon L. Cool. Yeah, it's always fun changing everything to React. That's like my buddy Scott Weaver's favorite thing to do. It's like, oh, you mean you have this entire onboarding process built in PHP with, you know, vanilla JavaScript? let's convert the whole thing to a React app. So much better, so much smoother. We just need to completely change our compiling process. And then I give them a bruh. But if you want to do it, more power to you, man. That's what I told him. I'm like, I'm not gonna do it. But I appreciate it being done. Top, down, right, left. That's the problem with streaming late. Get hungry. You see, my company will never know the difference. Correct. But I want to just for practice and to say I can. Yeah, exactly. Getting paid, you know, to code. So that's why I tell everybody that jumps on here. It's like, how can I become a better something programmer? You know, I'm just like, fucking work. Just do it. Take the weirdest, most complex jobs, and you know, if you have the chance, use the newest technologies and teach yourself while you're getting paid. Because it's the only way I would learn anything. Shit. I'm not touching TypeScript unless somebody's paying me to do it. Okay. Now the class should be good to go. Oh, they're the default. Hold on. Default, which is coming right here. Where's the class? Default downder. Yeah, let's add the default. Shit. Now map weapon is part of the class. Downder. Downder. That changes my logic. Weapon. Weapon. Where's my new logic I just did? Oh, here we go. Yeah. So it's not just dir. It's. Wait, replace there with nothing. I didn't even finish that. I genuinely struggle to learn and teach myself anything unless I'm on the clock. Dude, I'm telling you. It's a mentality thing. It's like, you feel like you're wasting time or wasting money doing it on your own, right? Oh, some people aren't like that. I'm like, cool. Good for you. Some people like love to just do tutorials and read documentation and just like try building a new app in a new language. Not me. Can't do it. And I refuse. Don't even ask. Alright. So we'll do another replace. Map weapon. Cool. I could do a class list and then a replace, but I'd rather just do class name. Wait, can't you do a replace with an array? Whatever. Cough, WordPress game. Cough. No, I am getting paid for this. in some ways. Yeah, no. I'm also not learning anything, so let's be clear. This is all shit I already know how to do. It's about how I apply it, though. I don't mind building, you know, future businesses that might generate cash one day. I mean, this is all just marketing for the book, right? Stream, hopefully you can monetize one day, so it's all, yeah, it's all part of that. I've started a billion side jobs or side businesses, worked with a billion people trying to do little things here and there, drop shipping, building plugins that we can sell, you know what I mean? Building a social network. I tried to do that for a little while, and at the end of the day, I wasn't like learning much new, but if I was learning something new, it was okay because I was applying it to something that I was trying to turn into a business. Yeah, so it's a little different, but I do get the point. Okay, now it should do something, though I know the styling's still off because now it's not inside. Oh, and I didn't compile styling. Hold on. What is that? Why did I get a random line? Oh. I don't care, dude. I know, everything's duplicate. Code cleanup. I still have to pick a day I want to do that. I want to pick one of the days, the streaming days of the week to do code cleanup. You know? Where I just like go through, make sure everything's commented, make things more dry, you know, whatever. Break functions out, maybe even change, you know, add a new JS file, make a util functions file. Alright, where is my weapon? Good. We're good. Okay, so here's the problem now. I have no idea where it is on the map. Because it's no longer is applicable. So I need to change it to my current position. Oh yeah, there it is. Hello, nice to see you. Wow. Left will be 1948. Oops, that went to nothing. 1948. Right? Wait, where'd it go? What'd I do? Oh yeah, shit. Plus 500. Okay. Now it's time to set the position. And unfortunately, not only am I going to have to change the position of my character now, as I move, I will also have to change the weapon's position. But it'll allow me to move the weapon around wherever I want now, which is cool. Instead of just using padding, you know, I can actually move it. So, where do I change my person's position? Block movement. Get block direction. No. Let's use this. Cool. And this is it. Now I need to do this exact same thing with weapon. So where's weapon? Box. Where am I setting box? Oh, it's windy. Sounds like the whole house is exploding sometimes. Alright. I hate that it's called box. Okay. Const weapon equals query selector map weapon. Okay, now the same shit I'm doing to box, I'll do to map weapon. And I can just copy it. Plus 500. And this is only if weapon exists. To string. I don't want to do to string. Not yet. So let's do this. Yeah. Plus 500. I don't think I need to do to string, do I? It was giving me shit before. Okay, here we go. Do the same thing. Plus 500. Oops. Cool. This will give me the center point. And I think this is fine. I think I don't need... Oops. What did I do? I don't need that. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Like I said, the only problem with this might be that 2 string. I might have to do that. I kind of don't think I do. Well, we'll find out real quick. Right. Meow. Okay, I also need to set it by default, which I forgot. So where's my map? Here we go. Coordinates. Let's steal this. Womp. Oh yeah, so dry. Do not repeat yourself. If I'm repeating myself. But it's different because I need to add 500 to this. 4-0. We will do int val. Whoops. Let's do this instead. Int val plus 500. Beautiful. Left, we will do int val plus 500. Default is 2442. Alright, I mean, this is as good as it gets. This should be the center point. Well, it's probably behind me. Let's double check. Yep, it's right behind me. And let's see if it moves with me. Or if I get a console because I didn't put 2 string. Welp. It's moving with me. It's kind of dragging between my legs. It's a little gross. Oh, I think it's because the styling. I changed the position or whatever based off of the direction I'm facing. Does punching still work? Doesn't look like it. Where am I? Map character. Here we go. Is it engaging? It is. Okay. Style's not really changing. What was happening before? I thought it was supposed to like add padding. Doesn't look like it is though. Wait, what? What's this old map weapon shit? Oh, blaze. I gotta change some styling. Okay, so engage. Oh. Right. There's a whole bunch of rando crap. Yep, this is a much bigger change than I was expecting. Oops. We don't need this. We don't need this. Wait. No. This is wrong now. Shit. Yeah, this all has to go. All this positioning logic. So yeah, engage. Should just be adding padding. Top to... Wait, what? Oh. Yes. That's why none of this is applying. Because it's not nested anymore. Okay, cool. I'm compiling JavaScript. As you can see, my brain is going because it's 1 a.m. Alright. What do we got? Let's just double check and see if this fixed some stuff. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at PunchWorks again. Cool. Yeah, it's going to be the same because I don't have any styling now. Okay, at least we know it works. And if I use Tarka, still works. Great. Follow me, shield. There's a little bit of a lag. My guess is because of the transition. So it's like kind of like moving with me. So if I got rid of that, I bet it wouldn't have any lag anymore. Yeah, see? No more lag. It just moves right with me. That just means that I need to add transition to padding only. So instead of all, we'll just change it to padding. That's kind of how I do it. Yeah, and I might have to add transition to top and left. If I, when I'm shooting the thing, so it looks like it's shooting and not just ending up thousands of miles away. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Well, they are different. Wait, what happened? It showed up as that little... Huh. Alright. Fire. Something's still happening when I click fire. Alright. Me hearties. I'm out of here. Let's raid. And this time, I'm gonna go to their channel and I'm gonna raid. So give me someone. Give me someone good this time. Because I want to watch them thank me for me giving you to them. Let's see. Twitch. Get this out of here.
Selling smelled really yummy.
Oh god. Oh, thank you. Go to Stream Manager. That's me. Who shall we raid today? And when you tell me, I will go to their channel first.
Lyrics, but probably not because I'll be too busy sleeping. Perfect, there we go.
Based off of your great suggestion.
Oh my gosh, is that Ice 9 kills over there? Yo, no way is that Ice.
What? Trying to find someone nobody is on that I normally hang around. Yeah, might as well just pick someone rando then. A lot of people have their raid settings all like exclusive for some reason. Like I just saw that there are raid settings and I changed mine to where you can only raid if it's 2 people or more to just avoid any like bot raids or something, but besides that, like not a big deal. Just chatting. shit. What do we got? What do we got? Maybe I'll help find somebody. Hey, that's sweet that I hit that 10 follower goal. I'm gonna have to update that goal. Oh, who you got? Here we go. Send them over. This guy's working on EDC Las Vegas. Oh, cool. Yeah, man, EDC sick. When they moved it to Vegas, I was like, well, here we go. Never been, though. A lot of friends that go, though. That are a bit too old. Hey, there he is. Alright. You the man. We gonna raid you. Hopefully he lets raids. Alright, click the raid button. Search the thing. Yeah, I know you're never too old.
Let's go.
Unable to raid. Damn it. Man. I had 2 viewers before. It looks like it dropped down to 1, so he probably has like a limit. That's fine. Oh wait, I have 2 viewers again. Hold on. Let's see if it works now. Come on, come on, come on. Let me do it. No. He's not accepting raids at this time. This is always our problem. Finding someone to raid. How many views this guy got going on right now? He's got 69 followers. Oh, just 2. I'm one of them. Boop. No, I'm none of them. Here we go. Grumble Pug. Let's see. Will you allow it?
Put this off to the side.
Start raid. Oh yeah, it worked.
Alright, let me check the lobby. I need to check, like... Okay, everything I use for Steam. Get
All right.
lobby members.
Have a good night, man.
Did I have, like, a create...
I'll catch you on the next one, and I'll hit up your
there's the
stream if you
create
jump
lobby.
on.
So I am doing the
Peace.
correct thing already. Alright, so once I join a lobby... Orb Mortar, thanks for the raid. That was a stream. Have a good one, thanks. Welcome in. This is the game we're working on, if you haven't been here before. We're doing like some multiplayer stuff. We're like doing some experimentation with peer-to-peer connections. Don't know if I'm gonna like keep this in the game or not, but we technically got something working, and now we've completely
Very
broken
cool.
it to do it a different way because I think the other way would be better. Yeah. How was the stream? What were you working on? I assume you're a game dev streamer?
Yeah. Building
Okay,
a
I think
WordPress
I did all this right. Alright.
based RPG.
Alright, so in here, I've got this multiplayer spot. Fantastic. Yeah, building WordPress-based RPG. WordPress? That's interesting. Why do a WordPress-based RPG? Spawn limit. Spawn path. Path to spawn route. Spawnable scenes that are added as direct children are replicated to other peers. Same reaction every time. Sorry, I'm just curious. I've dealt with WordPress and it destroyed me in school. Like, I hated it. So, although that was years and years ago, so maybe it's
Right.
good now. I don't know.
Meh.
Okay, so there's a multiplayer spawner. Oh, so the spawn. No. Wait, this is a multiplayer. Okay, so the spawn path is itself. Can I do that? Okay, and then all right, let's add a script to this. Just a content management system used to house the assets and the rest of the vanilla JS and CSS, SCSS. Keeps it integrated into my website. Gotcha. Oh wait, I just want to add a script. I don't know why I'm.
All right.
I guess we can just
Successfully
call it
rated.
multiplayer spawner. Sure.
I am out of here.